Is your Tabby virtual card getting declined during online checkout? Here's how to fix it fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll explain the top reasons why your Tabby virtual card might be declined and what you can do to solve the issue. Step 1. Double check that the store you're buying from accepts Tabby virtual cards. Not all merchants support them, especially outside the UAE or on global platforms. Step 2. Make sure your available Tabby balance covers the purchase amount. You can check this in your Tabby app under Spending Limit. Step 3. Ensure that the virtual card is still active and hasn't expired. Tap the card in your Tabby app to see its status and expiry date. Step 4. Verify that your shipping and billing info match what's saved on Tabby. Mismatched addresses can trigger fraud alerts and cause rejections. Step 5. If you're using the virtual card through Apple Pay or Google Pay, make sure those wallets are set up correctly and your device has internet access. Tip: some sites require an extra OTP, one-time password. If you're not receiving it, check your phone signal or email spam folder. Still having trouble? Drop your issue in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more fast fixes. Thanks for watching.